If you are on the hunt for the perfect presents to make this holiday season extra special, you have come to the right place. It's that time of year again, and we have scoured the globe to bring you the 7 best gift ideas for this Christmas. Whether you are searching for the perfect present for a loved one or a little something to treat yourself, we have got you covered. And don't forget, you can find all these fantastic gift options in the video description. And now, let's dive into these fantastic gift options. First up, we have the NETVUE Birdfy Lite, a smart bird feeder with a built-in camera that's perfect for bird enthusiasts. With this revolutionary device, you can capture all the feathered visitors in your backyard and receive real-time notifications through the phone app. This camera offers 1080p color night vision, ensuring you can see birds in all their glory, even in dark. It's not just a bird feeder, it's a bird-friendly home for your winged friends. Plus, it's a fantastic gift for families to bond over, and you can even share your bird videos with a global community of bird lovers. Don't miss out on the bird watching journey of a lifetime. Traveling during the holiday season, the Voltech Lifebot X is your ultimate travel companion. This rugged mini portable case is designed to secure your valuables, including your smartphone, cash, passports, and more. It's the perfect size to fit in your backpack, luggage, or attach it anywhere with the included carabiner. The built-in lock system featuring a backlit keypad ensures the safety of your belongings, while the T3 polymer construction provides durability and protection from environmental factors. What's more, it's powered by just one AA battery with an impressive battery life of up to 1 year under normal use. Plus, it can function as a water-resistant case even without a battery. Keep your valuables secure and travel with peace of mind using the Voltech Lifebot X. Our next adventure takes us to the Swagtron Swagcycle EB5, the ultimate electric bike for adults and teens. This lightweight folding electric bike comes pre-assembled, making it a hassle-free gift. Whether for adults or teens, its height-adjustable design ensures a comfortable ride. With 14-inch air-filled rubber tires and 15.5-mile range, you can effortlessly cruise around town or the great outdoors. The Swagcycle EB5 is perfect for urban commuting, leisurely rides, and eco-friendly transportation. To elevate the experience of the adventurous souls on your gift list, consider the Swagtron Swagcycle EB5. It's a game-changer. Looking for a gift that combines music and ambience? The RIDALUX portable Bluetooth speakers are the perfect 4-in-1 solution. This device acts as a portable wireless speaker, atmosphere lamp, LED night light, and decoration lantern all in one. With a massive 10,000 mAh battery, it can last up to 8 to 12 days, making it greater for outdoor use or power outages. The stereo sound quality is exceptional, and the IPX6 waterproof rating ensures its durability. It's a versatile gift for men, women, and anyone who loves to set the mood with music and lighting. Do you know someone who loves DIY projects? The Hoto 35-in-1 Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a fantastic gift option. It's minimalist, lightweight, and cordless, providing freedom and versatility for indoor and outdoor creative projects. The Type-C charging and 2000 mAh battery ensures that it's always ready for action. With 5-speed options, precise control, and a range of multifunctional accessories, it's the ideal tool for carving, sanding, grinding, cutting, and more. Say goodbye to these organized toolboxes with the innovative, detachable storage case. For the adventure seekers and tech enthusiasts, the Insta360 GO3 is a must-have. This miniature action camera records up to 2.7K video and features quick capture with voice control. Even when it's off, you can instantly start recording with a single press. The Insta360 GO3 comes with an action port for extended battery life and a range of features like flip touchscreen and remote control. It delivers incredibly smooth videos with floor state stabilization and allows for creative editing with advanced AI tools. Don't miss a moment of your adventures with this compact and powerful action camera. Last but not least, we present the XREAL Air AR Glasses, a groundbreaking gift for tech enthusiasts. With a massive 201-inch micro OLED virtual theater, these glasses offer a portable display experience like no other. Say goodbye to neck and back pain from staring at screens as you carry a 330-inch screen in your pocket. They are compatible with a range of devices from smartphones to laptops, offering multiple display modes to suit your needs. If you're looking for the next level of display technology, the XREAL AR Glasses are a gift that's truly ahead of its time. And there you have it, the 7 best gift ideas for this Christmas. We hope you found the perfect gift for your loved ones among these exciting options. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the TXG Explorer channel for more gift ideas and exciting content. Wishing you a joyful and gift-filled holiday season.